curly hair, thick mustache, and black boots, jumping and squatting and flipping and flexing your body with strange moves. That was back when only a few people knew you, but there was two brothers obsessed with what you could turn into. Over time, you began gaining respect and recognition, building support for an idea that became a vision. I remember you. I remember when you went and got some guns, and boulders and barn doors and cows and tree trunks, and it was the first time doing so much hard work with so much fun. I watched you change colors. You used to be white, dude. You was beige and brown. You was tall and perfect overall, and sometimes you was short, and that made it easier for you to get down on the ground. But I remember you. Some people say you was so ugly, but some people say you was so beautiful. You made young people feel older, and you made old people feel youthful. I remember when you made flexes and muscle machines and sugar shawns, and just when I thought you couldn't get no bigger, you made a big ass shadow and a big run. You had Arnold and you had Lee when you were introduced to me. I was just a little badass boy from the hood that wasn't supposed to be nothing. You gave me something to want to be. You had Francois in Paris. That's what I wanted to be. But I was just this little badass boy from the hood that wasn't supposed to be nothing. You gave me something to want to be. I loved you before I even knew you was mine. Now that I know all about you, I love you and I hate you at the same time. You give me life, but you kill me at the same time. You build me up, but you break me down at the same time. I remember the day that you first recognized me. I hope that you will remember the 80s when you seen me. I try to give you my best, but it's never enough. I only wanted to celebrate you, but no matter what I do, I was never fucking good enough. Damn, it felt impossible for me to satisfy you. I loved you so much, why the fuck you don't love me too? Then finally I realized what I was here to do. I was made to make them remember you. My whole purpose for being here is for them to remember you. I will make them remember you.